Alright, so welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to do some more game box testing. Yes, we're going to try some Sega Dreamcast and let's see how it's running on this me machine. Alright, let's go. Dreamcast time! And you need to do this every single time you boot up a game.
I'll be guiding you from the control tower. You are now entering training mode. I'll show you how to control your plane and view the HUD in normal mode. I'll begin by showing you how to control your plane. Then I'll explain how to view the HUD.
They messed up the controls. Yep. I can only do this. The D-pad and the left analog stick are exactly the same. The right joystick doesn't do anything. So this game is basically unplayable.
Capcom versus SNK. Millennium Fight.
So I booted up a game and it is possible that it just freezes from the menu. So which game is compatible? That is something you need to find out yourself. Alright, let's go on with the show. So right, so when going into the title screen of Quake 3 Arena, I'm pressing every single button, but it is just stuck. Nothing works anymore. The start button, return back button to the main menu. The only thing that do work is the config button, so we can go back without rebooting the system. But again, as you can see, we get everything like in main menu, the main title screen and all the other stuff, the intro, everything works, but it doesn't boot up the game. Big bummer. Same goes for Revolt. What a very strange sound. Nevertheless, let's go back. Alright, we're back with Soul Calibur. Alright, so it seems to be that Sonic Adventure 2 is working, and I don't see a lot of glitches or other problems that I've noticed with previous games. Still, it can be me, but the game looks a little bit dark if you look at it. I'm guessing this is more a problem with the software itself. Alright, so but I also did notice something. I'm going to press start so you can see it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you see some glitches over here. It's more like a weird screen tearing, or it's not. Yeah, there is a glitch. Let's put it this way. So it's very hard to see on the camera. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the 3D Game Box and Sega Dreamcast. The support itself is pretty damn poor. The first couple of games I played, they were playable and you can enjoy them, let's put it this way. But if you look at the screen tearing, the problems, and some games are even freezing and just shutting down. The most weird part was Quake 3, that you can see the intro, but when you go into the title screen, it just basically freezes. Power Stone 2, my favorite game, does play, but it's a lot of little tiny glitches. It's still playable, I can still enjoy it, but that is something you need to consider for yourself. So, overall it's a great product. You need to check the review. But great, I mean, you can play some games, but it is not perfect and it is super flawed if it comes to the Sega Dreamcast. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and it would be great to see you in the next Wicked video.